Good morning everyone. So in this session we will solve the question that is related to balance sheet. So first you have to observe the question here. From the following information prepare balance sheet. From the following information prepare balance sheet for the year ending 31st March 2018. So in this case we need to prepare balance sheet as per the Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. We need to prepare balance sheet. So here for the preparation of balance sheet, they given some information regarding these balance sheet statement. So the information: inventory 7 lakhs, equity share capital 16 lakhs, preference share capital 6 lakhs, plant and machinery 8 lakhs, general reserve 6 lakhs, land and building 26 lakhs, creditors 3,50,000, provision for taxation 2,50,000 rupees, cash at bank 5 lakhs rupees, and 12% debentures 12 lakh rupees. This is what given information regarding preparation of this balance sheet. Now we need to apply the balance sheet format. The format was we require three necessary columns for the balance sheet. So here before the balance sheet, first I will take the headline. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2018. This is what end of the year, right? Each and every business organization they prepare financial statements in this date only. So under the below format, we need to prepare three necessary columns. One column for particulars, second column for notes, and third column for amount. So in this balance sheet we have two hands, right? So first hand equity and liabilities, in that second hand assets. So first I have to take equity and liabilities. So here equity and liabilities. Under that equity is nothing but capital. So under that equity and liabilities we have three appropriates. The first one shareholder funds. So in this shareholder funds we need to record few transactions as per the given information. So the information here, equity share capital they given. Equity share capital 16 lakhs rupees as well as preference share capital 6 lakhs rupees. So here both are related to share capital, right? So now I have to apply the working notes. So here when they given two or more transactions is answer situations, we need to take working notes. So come to the calculation part, notes to accounts. The first one, note 1, share capital. First we need to find the value of share capital. Under the below have to take columns, particulars and one amount column. So they given two types of capitals, equity share capital as well as preference share capital. Both the value total 22 lakhs. This is what total balance of share capital. These total balance now we need to enter under the shareholder funds by the way of share capital. What is our total share capital value? 22 lakhs, right? Have to write 22 lakhs rupees. This is what share capital. In this note column we need to write note number 1. Why? Because in this one it shows the complete and detailed information in containing in the working note column only. So after that the next transaction they given here, general reserve. Under the shareholder funds we can record few transactions only, share capital as well as general reserve. So here general reserve directly they given that 6 lakhs rupees. You have to write 6 lakhs rupees. This is what total general reserves in the business organization. So this is what first headline under the equity and liabilities. The second headline is related to non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities means here they given 10% debentures. So under the non-current liabilities we can record long-term loans and borrowings. So here 10% debentures, this is what long-term borrowings, right? So have to write the debentures we can take as a long-term borrowings rupees 12 lakhs. The next third headline, current liabilities. So here current liabilities means those liabilities which were settled within the 12 months period of time. Such liabilities we can record under this head only. So here the first one they given creditors. Creditors means nothing but trade payables. You have to take trade payables rupees 3,50,000. And the same is the next one, provision for taxation given. Provision for taxation is nothing but short term provisions only. So short term provisions are 2,50,000 rupees. So this is what information regarding equity and liabilities in this question. So as per the given information, we have recorded all the necessary transactions are related to these liabilities as well as capital transaction. Now we need to make total balance of these balance capitals. So total 22 lakhs plus 6 lakhs plus 12 lakhs, 3,50,000 plus 2,50,000 rupees. The total balance 46 lakhs rupees. These 46 lakhs rupees we can call as total equity and liabilities in the business organization. So this is what information regarding first head. In the second one, the second headline assets. First of all, as a assets we have two heads, namely non-current assets and current assets. So again under the non-current assets, again we can record fixed assets, right? So let me know the question. So as per the assets here, they given few information regarding the assets like inventories, then plant and machinery, land and building. So when we are observing in this question, plant and machinery as well as land and building both are related to tangible assets under the fixed assets, right? Now I have to apply one more working note for these assets. The second working note, fixed assets. Under the fixed assets, tangible assets, right? The first one, plant and machinery. The value of plant and machinery 8 lakhs rupees. 8 lakhs. The next one, land and building. Land and building 26 lakhs rupees. The total value of tangible assets are 14 lakhs rupees. Right? So these 14 lakhs rupees we can call as tangible assets under the fixed assets. So I have to write here assets under the below non-current assets. Under the non-current assets, the first head fixed assets. Under the fixed assets we can classify into two categories, right? Tangible assets and intangible assets. So for the tangible assets we are calculated one working note. So in this tangible assets we have total value 34 lakhs rupees. In that note column have to write 2. So in this 2 number it indicates it giving complete and detailed information in that notes to accounts. So this is what information regarding non-current assets. Suppose is there any some more transactions are related to tangible as well as intangible assets, means answer situation we can record here itself only. The next second one, I mean under the assets, the second headline current assets, right? So under the current assets they give inventory. First transaction will they given inventory. The value of inventories are 7 lakhs rupees. Directly we can record. Inventory means nothing but stock. The next one they given cash at bank. Cash at bank means nothing but cash and cash equivalents. Suppose cash in hand and cash at bank, both the transactions are given. Answer situation we need to calculate the working note as cash and cash equivalents. So here cash and cash equivalents, in the bracket we are showing cash at bank, right? So only one transaction given. The value of cash and cash equivalents are 5 lakhs rupees. This is what given information regarding the asset. So as per the question we have completed all the transactions. Inventory recorded, equity share capital, preference share capital already completed, then plant and machinery recorded, general reserve we are recorded under the shareholder funds, then land and building completed, creditors, provision for taxation both are recorded under the current liabilities, and cash at bank we are recorded as a cash and cash equivalents under the current assets. Finally debentures. So here this is what non-current liabilities. So here whatever the information they given, all the information we are recorded in the balance sheet. So for this information we are calculated two working notes, one note for share capital and second working note for fixed assets, I mean tangible assets. So these working notes it is useful when there is a doubt the value of these working note numbers, means answer situation we need to observe. We need to observe these working notes. It gives complete and detailed information about these transactions. So now we need to make total balance of assets. So 34 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 5 lakhs, total 46 lakhs rupees. So here equity and liabilities 46 lakhs rupees, on the same way total assets also 46 lakhs. As the balance sheet is always it equal balances in the assets as well as liabilities. So this is what solution regarding the question. In the next upcoming questions we can solve some more questions are related to balance sheet. Thank you students.